Hi, I'm Alan Thomas. So today I'm going to do my sixth experiment of database lab. So my first question is, write a PL/SQL procedure that will accept the product ID from the user, check if the product is supplied by the supplier, and display the status. So for that, syntax is to create a procedure. The syntax is create a replace procedure keyword. Prod is the procedure name. In the bracket the parameters and in number, followed by is id. We're declaring a number id. Begin the executable section. Begin, select product id into id from supplier where product id is equal to n. dbms output, this is to print the line delivered. Exception, we are adding an exception when no data found, then print not delivered end. So procedure created. Declare variable number num. Begin, num is equal to we're retrieving the number, we're sending the number into the procedure end. So we are entering the value 1001 and it's been delivered, while we are entering the value 100, it's not delivered. So that is first. This moving on to the second question. Write a procedure to calculate the total price for the product that has been supplied and pass the supplier ID as the argument. So for that, the syntax is create or replace procedure total price in bracket this argument supplier in number, price out number, is begin, select some the price out number in price into price where from out order quantity, supplier s from where o dot product id of order quantity table is equal to product id of supplier table, and supplier id supplier id is equal to supplier and group by supplier id, and print the total price. So procedure created. Declare part, declare p number. Begin to we are passing 1 and p to the total price procedure, and thus the output is as shown. Total price is 15,000. So moving on to the third question. Write a procedure raise quantity which increases the quantity of the ordered product. It accepts an order ID and quantity to be increased. It uses the order ID to find the current quantity from the order table and update the quantity. So for that, we first viewing the order quantity table, then we are creating the procedure raise quantity, and in the brackets the ID and quantity are the parameters. Begin, select order quantity into order quantity from order quantity table where order ID is equal to ID. Update order quantity, set order quantity is equal to quantity, old quantity plus the new quantity where order ID is equal to ID. Now moving to the declare part. Declare ID number, quantity, queue number. Begin, we're retrieving the ID and quantity from the user, and we're sending the values to the raise quantity procedure. So we are entering the values for ID as 103 and quantity as 6. So the new at 103, the new order quantity is as shown. So moving on to the next question. Write a PL/SQL function status to return value supplied if the product number passed to it is available in the supplier table, else will not be supplied. So the syntax is we are creating a function, create or replace function, status in the brackets the parameters, return var to the data type is we're declaring the variable p number. Begin, select product id into p from supplier table where product id is equal to id, return supplied. Exception, when no data found, then return not supplied. Thus function is created. Select distinct status 4000 as status from supplier. The status is supplied, status is 100, then not supplied. So moving on to the next question. Write a PLSQL function to return the product name when the product ID is passed as an argument. For that, the syntax is create or we are creating a function, create a replace function, status in the parameters as ID, returning data type, and begin select product description bname from product where product ID is with ID, return bname. So select this in we giving 1001 as parameter. So from product the status is shown as manager's list. So last question, write a PLSQL function to return the maximum quantity ordered by the customers. For that the syntax is create or replace function max order, return number is we declaring the number max order. Begin select max order quantity into max or from the order quantity table, return max order. So we are selecting maximum order quantity from the order quantity table. So the output is 20. Thank you.